Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm just going to be planting up some peas. Originally I was going to redo this whole area, but didn't get there in time, and I really wanted to get these peas in the ground. So basically I just sectioned off an area that gives me enough for 2 lanes of peas and still gives more or less enough space to access this bed. It's very tight, but it's about the minimum where still you can comfortably walk across. So I soaked my peas overnight, and this is actually on the second day, and they're already germinated. So peas are one of those few things that's really difficult to plant in containers and transplant. So I mean, you can do it, but the timing is very tight. I find it's best just to put them in the ground directly. And I got my trusty 4-inch planting triangle, so I can do 4-inch spacing. So it's gonna give me a zigzag all along. All right, I don't know how much I'm gonna need. Doesn't get a ton of sun here, so should be enough to produce some good peas, but I'm gonna leave some for the other side that gets more sun. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do as some trellis support. Obviously the structure is the fence. I might have some extra welded wire which I could just attach to the fence, or it's easy enough to do some nails and some string. The peas will be good to go. Anytime I have a fence, I like to use it for vine crop, assuming it's in the right orientation for sun, but just one less thing you gotta build. And you're usually taking advantage of space you might not be able to use otherwise. All right, so still got half the peas to go to try out in another spot, and that's a lot of peas right there, so I'm pretty happy. Just gonna cover them up and water them in, and we'll be good to go. If you enjoyed that, hit the like button. I've got some cool permaculture shirts. We got the permaculture back in black right here. Definitely my favorite, so link in the description below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.